Same happens in our bodies. The heat of summer lingers in the early autumn and stirs up Vata winds. And those cool, dry autumn winds, in turn, stoke the leftover summer fire. Can you picture that? Have you felt that inner restlessness when summer's heat and autumn winds seem to stir each other up? I surely have. And it is no wonder, when you think about that, and that digestion, skin, and energy feel unsettled. So the good news is, though, that nature provides the antidote. The autumn harvest is full of grounding, moistening foods, root vegetables, grains, pulses, nuts, seeds, and warming spices. By shifting from the summer salad to the ice creams to soups and stews and porridges, we give digestion the support it needs. Now let's circle back to those autumn discomforts: dry skin, restless sleep, bloating, fatigue, hair loss. In Ayurveda, these are signs of Vata imbalance, often mixed with residual summer heat. Seasonal transitions also weaken digestion. When digestion isn't strong, the half-digested food creates ama. And ama isn't just physical. You might remember from my Ama Agni blog post that ama also includes every impression we take in. Sight, sounds, feelings, experiences. When we can't process it all, we end up with mental ama, brain fog, scattered thoughts, and lack of clarity. I'll pop the link to the blog post into the show notes as well. Does this all sound familiar? The brain fog, the scattered thoughts, feeling like there's just too much to process. When you experience this is mental ama showing up. And this is why autumn often feels so unsettling. The qualities of Vata, remember, cold, dry, mobile, and light, they are amplified both in our body. And so, how can we bring back balance? The first steps are simple. Stop snacking and leave 3 to 4 hours between meals. Eat warm seasonal food, sip hot water throughout the day, and follow a steady daily rhythm. Even setting aside a weekend of light, simple meals like khichdi, warm soups, leafy greens can help digestion adjust and make the seasonal shift easier. But here's something important to know. During a cleanse, meals are kept deliberately simple. Even healthy foods like aubergines, chickpeas, or kidneys, and all meat and fish are left out. Not because they are bad, but because they take more digestive effort than the body can spare whilst it's resetting. Could you imagine trying just one of these this week? Maybe leaving a few hours between the meals, or sipping hot water instead of drinking coffee and tea. Even that small shift can make a big difference.